Buying your first quadcopter can be an intimidating endeavor, especially for the uninitiated enthusiast who just got bit by the drone bug. There is a sea of cheap drones to choose from and you're under pressure not to mess up on your first purchase. While you can never be sure of what to expect from a drone model you've never tested, the Holy Stone HS100 has made a great impression on first-time users. Not only for its affordable price, but also its overall combination of beginner-friendly functionality and high-performance specifications. In this video, we shine a light of the HS100 to see what it brings to the table as far as features and overall performance is concerned. Holy Stone HS100 at a glance. For an affordable drone like the HS100, there is a lot to enthuse about. But I know you'll need more than just a sentence to get convinced. Let us delve deeper into the individual features the drone has to offer. Flight time. On paper, the Holy Stone HS100 has a flight time of around 18 minutes. However, flying it in real-world conditions will give you just about 16 minutes, which is more than decent for an entry-level drone. The impressive flight time can be credited to the high-capacity 7.4V 3500 mAh LiPo battery that powers the drone. The modular battery helps to keep the drone in the air and will require around 3 hours to fully recharge when it is completely drained. LED lights have been incorporated at the back of the drone to let you know the remaining charge. Control range. When the conditions are perfect, the HS100 can fly to a maximum range of 600 m. But when flying via FPV, the range will drop to around 350 m. In the event you fly the drone out of range, a return to home function will bring it back to the point of takeoff so that you don't lose your prized possession. To use the FPV feature, you must first download the Holy Stone drone application, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. The remote controller is compact with a minimalistic design and fits effortlessly in your palms. A pair of ergonomic handles on the controller also ensures that you won't grow tired of flying the HS100. Finally, there is a smartphone mount where you can attach your phone when flying the drone on FPV. Camera. One of the most exciting features on the HS100 is its upgraded 2K camera, which is way better than the original 1080p cam. This allows you to shoot high-resolution videos and crystal-clear stills that you won't ordinarily find on a drone in the range of under $200. You also get a 120-degree field of view that allows you to get maximum details in your shots. Not to mention the 90-degree adjustable camera lens that lets you shoot videos from different perspectives. You can also use the FPV feature to fly the drone, although the maximum resolution you'll get is 720p. Overall, you'll be impressed by the footage the drone can capture, especially in its altitude hold mode. Unfortunately, there is no gimbal stabilizer on the HS100, so watch out for a little jello effect when the flying conditions are breezy. A microSD card has also been included to cater to all your storage needs. Flight experience. Flying the Holy Stone drone will be a joy to rookie pilots who are still finding their footing. The user-friendly operation includes GPS-enabled intelligent modes like altitude hold to keep the drone hovering in one area, as well as follow me mode, which allows you to capture dramatic aerial videos as you move around. The drone is made out of high-grade plastic that results in a durable build with an overall weight of just under 800 g. This helps to keep it stable in mild winds, but it also means that you have to register with the FAA before you fly it. Beginners will also appreciate the return-to-home function, which ensures that you won't lose your drone when it flies out of range. This is one of the leading reasons why amateur pilots lose their quadcopters. If you're still wondering about where to find the ideal beginner drone, the Holy Stone HS100 might just be the drone to end your search. It has all the makings of a winning entry-level drone. From a high-quality 2K camera, long flight time, and extended control range to a high-capacity battery and GPS-enabled features, you can't go wrong with the HS100. Although the manufacturer bills it as a drone for beginners, I still feel like intermediate users looking for an upgrade will find it very impressive. Especially those who don't want to break the bank.